Today, guys, we'll be making a puffball mushroom fried puffin.
Say that a little bit
sorry.
slower.
Hi, guys. Today we'll be making with cooking with courage. Today we'll be making some fried puffball mushrooms. Here's what you need.
You said they're mushrooms?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And here's some egg yolks. You need an egg yolk mixed up, and you need some.
And we found this growing out in the field.
Yep, we found this growing up.
So it's very organic. Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, very nice. Looks like
feel
cheese. Looks like cheese. Oh.
I know. So then, here's what you do. You just have to cut it. Which knife do I use?
Any knife. That's nice. That's fine. Just don't cut your finger off.
So we just cut it very carefully, but it's...
Oh, perfect. Okay, take that slice right there and why don't you tell us what you're going to do with it?
We're going to fry it.
All right, what are you going to coat it with? Eggs?
We have to use this plate right here.
Okay, are you going to put egg on it?
Yep, we're going to put egg on it first.
On both sides? Okay.
Both sides.
And then you're going to dip it in what?
Breadcrumbs.
We have these breadcrumbs here called Original Panko Japanese style breadcrumbs, extra crunchy.
And just do like 2 and just test it out, okay?
Oh wait, you got to put more breadcrumbs on that one. Just push it in there. Yeah. Oh, that looks pretty good.
I'm just gonna do 2, okay, Papa?
All right. Now go start the stove and get that oil hot. Go right ahead.
All around the sides.
All right. Good. That's a must. Always this hand washing thing. You know, you don't want to get any.
The oil's already on. Push the button.
Okay. Yeah, let's let that heat up real good. Give it about 5 minutes. Okay, we'll come back and start frying. You're about to eat all this? You thought it was fish, didn't you?
Yeah.
But we cooked fish tonight too, but it was battered in the same breadcrumbs, so you couldn't tell the difference. But we also thought it was like a puff pastry. Here, let's give you a little bit more Planko, okay? How's that? Get it all real nice coating.
Is that good?
Yeah. All right, now look, you do not, the way you test this oil to see if it's ready is you dip 2 fingers in there and then you drop it in the oil. And if it does that, then it's ready.
It's ready.
All right, ready.
So we're gonna take these tongs now.
All right, put it in nice and slow. That's all right, if it's broke. Go ahead.
Nice and slow.
Now we want to let it brown for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Go ahead and tell us.
We're gonna brown it for like 2 or 3 minutes and see how it is. Golden brown.
Best puffball you'll ever have, right?
Yeah.
Because it's Carter's famous recipe. It's looking good.
Should I flip it?
Just a little. What do you got there?
Got some garlic powder.
All right, garlic powder sounds good.
And some seasoning salt and
No more. Just 2 things.
I only did one.
You did 1. Now put that on and you're done. Hurry, it's going to be all done.
And seasoning salt to taste.
That's not even... Okay, go ahead. Just a little bit. A little more. All right, good. Now you can take it out and put it on this napkin.
Before it burns. Oh my god.
Let it drip a little bit. Pick it up and let it drip a little. Pick it up. Just let it drip for a second. Don't shake it. Okay, next one. All right, right on a paper towel.
Let it cool down.
All right, beautiful. There's dinner.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
All right, carefully flip it. Just pinch it. Yeah, that's good. All right, the next one. Pick it up right there. You don't have to pick the whole thing up. Just flip it. Next one. It's golden brown. There you go. Oh yeah, that looks so good. It's going to be better than the first batch. Dinner is served.
Yeah. You can edit this after, right, Papa? Here's your fork.
Okay, thank you.
Um,
You tell us a little bit about it as you open it.
I get the fancy fork. So what we made here is, how should I start, Papa?
Any way you want.
So here's the puffball. We're gonna cut it open. You can bring it over a little closer, Papa.
I got it.
So
Let's see, she had a bite. Oh, look at how nice and white that is in there.
I know, right?
Oh,
Wait,
it's like so tender and
well, we can't forget our sauce.
delicious. Mine was really good.
Ew, it's pooping. Papa.
That's what ketchup bottles do. Okay,
Okay.
now you tell me how your piece tastes. Very, very tender, huh? Now show us what's inside the big one. In the big one. That was one nice big chunk of puffball.
Look at that, Jim. Wanna hold it?
Sure. You can have the other piece. Okay, let's eat it together. Ready?
I thought we were gonna.
Yeah, don't be trying to steal mine. Okay, here we go. Go.
Come on, nothing.
I don't think I've had anything better.
Chewy, you're
All right,
good.
Go ahead. That's good.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
You know now.
No. That was just a lesson, okay?
All right, go. Eat. How does that taste?
Good.
Is it crunchy? See how white it is?
One gift was sticking out did this to me.
Yeah, you like that? What's it like?
Cream puff, cause look at it. It's not really a cream puff, but look at it.
You mean because it's got white in there? Does it taste like a cream puff?
No, it doesn't taste like one, just the way it looks.
Okay. It's so good.
Ow! I bit my finger.
I'm sorry.